This is the last lecture about RFlex. Let me talk about RFlex post-process. How to use contour plot of RFlex is similar to FullFlex. The various results of RFlex can be checked using contour plot. You can check strain, stress, displacement, contact pressure, so forth. After the simulation is completed, open the contour plot dialog box. If you click Calculation, the min-max values of the specified type are automatically calculated. Click OK and play the animation, then contour plot is displayed. You need to remember output file regenerator. You can change the reference marker if you want to see the result from different coordinates. And in case of the shell element, the result is calculated on the top side. If we want to see the result of the bottom of the shell element, the result must be calculated again in this dialog box. If you set precision to float, you can reduce the file size. Since the file size of the MFBD simulation results could be very huge, only some stresses are written to the file by default. If we want to see strain or other stress values, click the Strain Stress Output File Setting button to check the desired values, and click the Generate button again. If precision is set to float, the file size can be reduced. There are several FEA export functions, but RecurDyn beginners will rarely use them. FEA export is a function to export the external forces applied to the RFlex body at a specific time instance, and to use them as boundary conditions in other FEA software. Durability is a function to use RFlex results in FEMFET, a fatigue analysis software. MDF export is a function used to perform stress recovery with NX Nastran, but it is rarely used because stress recovery is possible within RecurDyn. I will end this lecture here and continue it in the next one. After watching all the MFBD kit courses, don't forget to try the workshops in the below link here. Thank you.